Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, beloved council members, and my dear fellow students, it is with immense pleasure and honor that I, Sheikh Shakir Ali, stand before you today as we gather to celebrate the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and achievement. Welcome to this momentous occasion of the degree day ceremony of St. Aloysius DMTV University. I request the dignitaries to take their seats on the dais. I request Dr. Anup Denzil Vegas, Director of Students' Council, to escort the dignitaries. Today, we come together not only to recognize the academic accomplishments of our students, but also to celebrate the journey of growth, resilience, and triumph that has brought us to this memorable day. So with hearts full of pride, let us embark on this joyous celebration of knowledge, excellence, and limitless possibilities. Welcome, one and all, to Students' Council present Tarang 2024. To commence our proceedings, let us all rise for a moment of reflection and unity as we present the prayer song performed by a talented choir.
My heart is filled with songs of praise. You gave me hope, you made a way. Now I long to live in your presence for all of my days. My soul sings, my spirit shouts with every breath. I'm crying out, I want to live for you alone. You have captured my heart. Mi corazón, Lord, I give you my whole heart. Mi corazón. My soul sings, my spirit shouts with every breath. I'm crying out, I want to live for you alone. You have captured my heart. Mi corazón, Lord, I give you my whole heart. Mi corazón.
Everybody please settle down. Following the prayer song, we are honored to have with us Dr. Anup, the Director of Students' Council, who will deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, one and all. I deem it a pleasure to formally welcome the guests and audience this morning. I could relate this day to my student days, where it was a day of mixed emotions, especially those who are in the final year. This is the last event of your degree life. And formerly it was called as Degree Day and recently renamed as Tarang. I can explicitly say that it is emotionally balanced because it brings feelings alive in us. And this is a day where you grasp these emotions all through the day. We are here to wish you the best for all your future endeavors, especially for the final years, as you carry these memories that you had spent 3 years of your degree life in this campus. My inert expectation would be that when you carry these memories, you also carry the lessons which were taught at St. Aloysius, and you reach them to the corners of the earth. Let everyone know that you are an Aloysian. This morning, as we have gathered here, it's my honor to introduce and welcome today's guests. I have the honor to introduce Reverend Father Dr. Melvin Dicuna SJ, the Pro Vice Chancellor and President of this event. A heart-warming welcome to you, Father. Amidst us, we have Reverend Father Vincent Pinto SJ, the Finance Officer and the Chief Guest of the program. Your presence has added flavor to our program, Father. Welcome to you. I gladly welcome our Student Council President, Mr. Christian Joshua Menezes. He's in the final year, and being a president, it's officially his last program. Wishing him a joyful day. And to you, all the staff members, both teaching and non-teaching, the students, all the media persons, and all the members present here, a hospitable welcome to you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As we embrace the symbolism of knowledge and enlightenment, I invite Dr. Anup to escort the dignitaries to the lighting of the lamp, signifying the illuminating journey ahead. We are privileged to have Father Vincent to grace us with his wisdom through his speech, inspiring us to embark on a path with purpose and dedication. Over to you.
Reverend Dr. Melvin Dicuna, Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Anup, Director, Student Council, Mr. Christian Menezes, President, Student Council, Directors, Deans, staff members, and my dear students. When I see degree day, I remember my own days here as a student. I was the student here in 1986, first batch of co-education. In 1986 and those years, we hardly had a few great big events. We had college day, we had a sports day, we had a election day, which you don't have now, election day. And then we had a degree day. Sometimes it was called prize distribution day, and sometimes it was called a musical evening, where students used to wait for that last one program, and that is Baila. I think you may have even today, I think. This degree day is something special for final year students. Dr. Anup in his welcome address mentioned about these things because very significant for final year students. Final year students shortly may be going out of this institution. They may go for studies, they may pick up jobs, they even may migrate to foreign universities or wherever they want to go, and many may remain here to be the first batch of the deemed to be university in post-graduation. So final year students, definitely you have very meaningful day today with others. When you go out, what do you remember? when finally students go out of the campus, what do you remember? Many things they remember, but three important things that I like to highlight. First of all, they remember campus life. Campus life, various activities. I said during our time we had very few activities, whereas today, leagues alone, you need a big list that you have. Various activities. Definitely, you all will cherish the activities you did. Today, all of you look very extraordinary in this ethnic wear. You look very extraordinary, including our president on the days, because these things are very important for us to remember our college life, our institution, and our life here. So, campus life is one of those things which you will cherish and remember for a long time. A second thing that you remember is a companionship. During these 3 years, you pick up so many friends, you make so many friends. You are classmates and outside the class. It is because of your classmates or you are partners in some activities and you all came together and today you are friends. That companionship that you will remember for life. Third thing you remember is teachers. You remember teachers, especially those teachers. If you like subjects, you like those teachers. Some people, some students like teachers who, in a way, contributed to their life, maybe through insights, through their inspiration. They supported them. They made them to participate in some activity, and from there they took off. So teachers, one or the other teacher, they will remember and they will be grateful to them. I remember the famous alumnus of St. Aloysius College, that is Sri Aravind Adiga. You all know Sri Aravind Adiga. He was alumnus of this institution who won Booker Prize, I think in 2008 for White Tiger. He won Booker Prize. The money he got for Booker Prize, he brought here and gave to the institution and established a scholarship. He said, I remember so many teachers, and especially he remembered the teachers of high school, 1, 2, 3. Naming them, he said, I like to establish scholarship because I love my teachers, and he established that scholarship which is very useful today for needy students. And last year, I remember one student, alumnus, who came to the institution and established 1 crore scholarship. He got scholarship while he was a student here. He remembered the institution, he remembered his teachers and came here. He established 1 crore scholarship. 1 crore is not a small amount. In many ways, students who go out, they remember institution as well as their teachers. As you all go out, I like to give 3 C's for you. 3 C's. Every Aloysian who goes out of the portals of this institution should remember 3 C's. And one is compassion. Compassion defines the character of a person. You remember the values of this institution. You remember the people who are disadvantaged, people who live on the margins, and those who live in the peripheries. You remember those students, and you need not go to other places to search where are the people who live on the margins, where are the people who live in the peripheries. You need not look there. right in our campus and around the campus we have those people. So compassion is one of the things that you have to imbibe the spirit. And second is competence. Today you live in a competitive world. It was not like the time that we used to be, because during our time marks were very important. Whereas not now. Now you should be a man and woman of competence. You need a skill and you need a creativity so that you succeed in the society. A third C is commitment. What is commitment? You can describe in various ways, but I like to tell you, commitment is nothing but to bring smiles on the faces of others. If you succeed to bring the smiles on the faces of others, you have imbibed that spirit of commitment from St. Aloysius College. Friends, thank you. Have a nice day. So many activities today. You have a prize distribution. You have music. And finally, as we used to wait for, most probably, Baila. Have good fun. Enjoy the day. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you, Father. Now, I invite the Pro Vice Chancellor to deliver the presidential address, sharing insights and guidance for graduates as they step into the world beyond these walls.
Good morning, dear students and staff members. Are you happy? Say loudly, are you happy? Will you please stand? Please stand. Just look around the place, the neighbors around you. The nature looks very beautiful. Please be seated. Yesterday, someone told me there are two fears are there. One is fear of death. Another one is fear of speaking in public. If you see the tree around us, I don't know whether it will fall down. Maybe you be careful, some branches may fall, so you should be ready where to run as such so that you can safeguard your life. Today I feel very happy to look all of you in your natural smile and the natural atmosphere as such. It feels good to be in this particular atmosphere. As already the speakers have mentioned, today is a milestone in your own life. Maybe there is a ethnic day or a cultural diversity. It is also to receive the certificates, whether it's for merit or whether it's for attendance. The feel-good factor is very high. Last night I did not have sleep in the hostel. I went around and asked them, why are you not sleeping? They said, no, we have got ethnic day. That's why we have to keep our dresses ready. So they are busy taking bath. They are busy ironing their clothes and etc. etc. So which means you are prepared much for this day. So hours of preparation. This degree day is a chance for us to appreciate the triumph, the perseverance, the resilience what we have done. Also, it is a time for us to feel good and think good also. Think of good of one another. We are living in a world where people are there from different backgrounds. Sometimes we take with us all the sad memories with us. Please forget about the sad memories, but take only the positive memories. What is all about education? It's facts and figures. The personal growth which has taken place in this campus. As already Father Vincent mentioned, many things you'll remember, some things you'll forget. Once you think good, once you feel good, we need to act good also. Your words will speak louder than your words. In Kannada, there is the expression, Matu Belli Mauna Mangara. Now this golden ways we have to express, when you feel for one another, we need to act in our actions also. Already as a nation, yesterday was the, I think, first phase of election. I'm sure that you are also going to cast your votes. All of you are beyond the age of 18. On 26th, we are going to have an election in this particular place. I'm sure all of you are going to cast your valuable vote. Now, when we select a leader, we choose certain qualities. all of you are going to be a leader in the society. I think one point what is important is unity in diversity. You are from different backgrounds, different languages. I think cherish that diversity, but at the same time, all of us are Aloysians. We have heard the expression like, once you are at Aloysius, you are always an Aloysian. This feel good factor is very important as you are going to the world to build a new nation, to build a new culture. Let's wish one another well so that our day may be beautiful as we have just become deemed to be university. Let's dream big and make this university a great one with our heart and mind put together to strive for excellence through our words and through our deeds. Have a pleasant day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Father. I kindly request the special prize winners, that is serial number 1 to 47, to assemble towards my right. I repeat, the students who are receiving the special prizes are requested to assemble towards my right. I repeat, students who are receiving the special prizes, that is the badge number 1 to 47, are requested to assemble towards my right. Continuing the ceremony, I request Ms. Cheryl Rodriguez, Assistant Professor of Department of Commerce, to announce the prize winners. I request Pro Vice Chancellor to kindly join us on the stage for distribution of the certificates of special prizes.
The Leadership Prize, awarded for displaying qualities of leadership such as initiative, drive, organizing capacity in the classroom, in various college association and in the college campus. The prize winners are Cyril Gale D'Souza, 3rd BA, Rezin Romero, 3rd BSc, C.K. Priyadarshini Sudhir, 3rd BSc, Namit Acharya, 3rd BCA, Sneha P, 3rd BCom, Sanvita S. Anchan, 3rd BCom, Rochelle D'Souza, 3rd BBA, Preksha HB, 3rd BVoc. Creative Activity Prize for exhibiting abilities in exploring new vistas of creative work, demonstration of innovative work and application of theory. The prize winners are Atish, 3rd BA, Rishima, 3rd BA, Glenn Philip Sequeira, 3rd BSc, Arunima K, 3rd BSc, Shibin, 3rd BCA, Nivedita Amin, 3rd BCom, Paras Raika, 3rd BCom, Kiranjit, 3rd BBA, Niaz Ali, 3rd BVoc. Constructive Activity Prize for promotion of MET, better understanding, cordial relationship, better rapport between staff and students among various groups and classes. The prize winners are Sanjay Dharmana, 3rd BA, Sudeep Raj, 3rd BA, Justin Joy, 3rd BSc, Sri Raksha, 3rd BSc, Shriya S. Kumari, 3rd BCA, Rakshit Rafael Furtado, 3rd BCom, Kotera Joyappa Sanchi, 3rd BCom, Kavya V. Bhatt, 3rd BBA, Gaurav Sudhakar Amin, 3rd BVoc. Catholic Action Prize. The winner is Amit Adam Pereira, 3rd BCom. Dramatics, Anaga Gauri, 3rd BA, Nivedita Amin, 3rd BCom, Mayur K, 3rd BA, Rolfin Liston Pies, 3rd BCA. Prize for the essay on social work, Atmika A, 1st BSc. Shri Mulia Timmapaya Memorial Kannada Essay Competition. The winners are Uma Shri Malappa, 3rd BA, 2nd BA. Sharadi M, 3rd BA. Late VJ Joseph Allocation Competition, Kannada, Sandhya A, 1st BSc. Mariam Ishmat, 2nd BA. J.E. Saldana Prize for English Essay, Mariam Rida, 2nd BA. The Quiz Prize, Rahif Ali Hussain, 2nd BCom. Jessel Jimmy, 2nd BCA. Abdul Hafiz, 2nd BCA. Music, Sumeda Kayin, 2nd BSc. Jaden Floyd Pereira, 2nd BCom. St. Aloysius College Library Prize, Rohan Chetan Desa, 3rd BA. Sri Raksha, 3rd BSc. Mohammad Hafil, 2nd MA. Grishma KV, 2nd MSc. Congratulations to the winners. Thank you, Father, and the dignitaries for the honor.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the students receiving Perseverance of Witness, that is 100% attendance award, to assemble towards my right. I repeat, students who are receiving the Witness of Perseverance award, that is 100% attendance award, to kindly assemble towards my right. Concluding our formal proceedings, let us express our gratitude to all those who have made this day possible. Now I call upon Mr. Christian Menezes to deliver the word of thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we convene for Tarang 2024, I wish to extend my deepest gratitude to each of you who have played an integral role in bringing this event to fruition. To Reverend Dr. Melvin Dikuna SJ, our esteemed Pro Vice Chancellor, I am profoundly grateful for your unwavering support and invaluable guidance throughout our journey at St. Aloysius deemed to be University. Your wisdom and leadership have been a guiding light for us all. Thank you, Father. To Reverend Father Vincent Pinto SJ, our diligent finance officer, I extend my heartfelt appreciation for your tireless efforts in managing our resources with precision and care. Your dedication has been instrumental in ensuring the success of our endeavors. Thank you, Father. To Dr. Anup Denzel Vegas, Director of the Student Council, I offer my sincerest gratitude for exceptional leadership and tireless advocacy on behalf of the student body. Your dedication to our collective voice has made a lasting impact on our university experience. Thank you, sir. To all the directors, deans, HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff members, I extend my heartfelt thanks for your tireless dedication and hard work behind the scenes. Your contributions have not gone unnoticed, and we are deeply grateful for your unwavering commitment to our university's success. Thank you. And last, but certainly not the least, to all the gentlemen and my beautiful ladies adorned in their traditional attire, thank you for gracing us with your presence and adding an extra touch of elegance to our gathering today. Your participation truly enhances the spirit of Tarang 2024. Thank you. As this would be the last big event of the Student Council at St. Aloysius, let us carry forward the memories we have created and the lessons we've learned. Thank you all for your dedication, support, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, Christian. Now I call upon Ms. Nisha, Assistant Professor of Department of Commerce, to announce the winners of Witness of Perseverance, that is 100% attendance awards. Now I request Father Vincent Pinto SJ to kindly distribute the certificates.
From 1st BA, Genelia Jeremiah. 1st BCom, Henrietta D'Souza, Fida Fatima, Martis Crystal Walter, D'Souza Shalin, Fatimat Shifana Abdul Munir, Amod Shetty, Suraj Ralph De Silva, Tom Matthew, Shreya R. Shetty, Vanya S.K. From first BSc, Smita Norona, Chirag, Lisha Jain, Sinchana P. Narendra, Abil Raj D'Souza, Niriksha, Alakanandan R. Nambiar. From first BCA, Savinaya Apu Acharya. From second BCom, Anika Sadia, Adreno Archie, Pearl, Ananya P, Arpita Ruth Peter, Avakash, Valentina Vishan Fernandez, Gayatri Saji, Preksha Shetty, Sushma K, from second BSc, Noman Rafullah, from second BBA, Santoshi S, from third BA, Fatima Shama, Alistair Sean D'Souza, Arundi Pragasim Arun Raj, from third BCom, Vikyat Shetty, Aditi Raj, from third BSc, Sri Raksha, Daniel Herlon, Purna Chandra, Anushri U, Disha Suvarna, Kriti Krishna Nayak, Shama M. Salian. From third BBA, Mohammad Yasin, third BCA, Shibin, third BVOC, Nivedita M. Malya, Pooja. Thank you.
Everyone. Following are the list of BCom students who are receiving merit certificates. I request Dr. Zina, Assistant Dean, and Dr. Shobha, HOD of School of Commerce, to do the honors. Students with the odd number should come from the right side, and students from the even number should come from the red side to receive their certificate and move quickly. You have to get down from the back. Okay, we have first year students. Kartika, Vidya Rathod. Move fast. Anu Paital, Sanchit Shetty, Danesh, Reenas, Gaganji Prabhu, Melisha, Nia, Rishon, Rohit, Sejal, Iona, Bhuvi, Darren, Natasha, Purnashri, Renita, Siana, Chaitra, Chirag, Joel, Hansh, Jaslita, Nihar, Pooja, Sonal, Anvita, Ketan, Nidhi, Mohammad Shihab, Shivani, Joylin, Alistair, Aaron, Ananya, Rizla, Martis Crystal, Melrick Joshua, Avani, Shalin D'Souza, Abdul Munir, Fiba Mary, Swikrit, Adlin, Astil, Celeste, Fai Kamil, Renisha, Aruta, Anne Maria Joseph, Catherine Joseph, Nazin Mariam, Ria Liana Martis, Siona, Aaron, Blen, Muhammad Dayan, Anuradha, Prapti Rao, Anand, Arash, Aisha Fida, Crystal Maria, Crystal D'Souza, Ethan, Fatima Tanisha, Fiona Princey, Namrata, Jahnavi, Kim Carol, Nuha, Purvika, Riona, Shreya, Alicia, Jasmi, Kevin, Christine, Swati, Shreya, Janice, and Rosabel Tom. Okay, next we have second years. Adya Nayak, Sana, Sneha, Srujan, Tripti, Adrino, Manjunath, Basti Abhishek Shenoy, Bhuvi Menden, Hana, Nisa, Pearl, Shreya Ganesh Prasad, Sneha Shetty, Vijeta, Geeta Padmini, Anisha Malya, Ashita Verma, Ashwati, Dweedle Ruth, Evita Raina, Joel, Nisa Khadija, Rensita, Gayana Gangama, Safa Fatima, Tripti Piraj, Vincent Son, Akisha Kishan, Dalin Dayas, Ramesh, Ananya, Ananya P, Asla, Carol, Krisma, Dina, Isha, Jessica, Jesslyn, Larisha, Melria, Meryl Sapna, Niriksha, Sharon, Astha, Avakash, Cleona, Aiden, Jonathan, Kajal, Karthik, Mahima, Maulya Rai, Nishma, Panchami, Prajna, Rishal, Sai Nandan, Salomi, Sanya Mariam, Shravana, Srijan Kumar, Suhas Yammen, Swedel Mascarenus, Velika, Viola, Abhiya, Anupama, Diona, Devang, Preksha, Sasha, Sonia, Malavika, Jia Melita, Melisha Sharil, Princia, Rinal, Saisha, Sheikh Mohammad Nayan, Sonal, Stevita, Thea, Chaitanya, Insha, Shifna, Janika, Hana, Ria, Shruti, Tanush, Ren, Ashish, Anvita, Bhumika, and Radhashri. Okay, now we have third years. Akshata Loni, Ankita CM, Dean, Dia, Manvit, Aman Sheikh, Anvita Pai, Ashley Steve, Aisha Mehrin, Cleven Montero, Crystal, Delisha, Kavita, Lishil, Linita, Mehek Zainab, Payal, Sanya, Shaima Razak, Srinidhi, Pranav, Ramakrishna, Akshata, Murshid, Muhammad Murshid, Aril, Bhuvana, Dina, Greg, Kirtana, Leonard, Namit, Nishita, Pramila, Riona, Sohan, Sonal, Tanusha, Vaishnavi, Ketan, Nelvita, Nevin, Risa, Sinchana, Eltina, Ansita, Bishaka, Avin, Ibrahim Tabish, Melrik Rayan, Prasanna, Aditi, Akhil, Ansita, Shaima, Famiza, Elsita, Errol, Lancia, Manish, Neeta, Ryan Gonzalez, Shifa, Stalin, Saurav, Aishwarya, Ruvin, Shraddha, Vaishnavi, Aril, Jeetan, Nivedita, Riya, Salomi, Samantha, Shreyash GD, Tirtha, Zaima, Elita, Sahil, Harshita, Jagat, Prajna, Salomi, Samantha, Shreyas, Tirtha, Zaima, Elita, Janvi, Mariam Noora, Rakshit, Relvin, Rosetta, Aloysius Fernandez, Jia, Daryl, Kripa, Rachel, Ishan, Melissa, Anusha, Abhinaya, Clarissa, Jason, Kavana, Prajwal, Raina, Roslyn, Deepthi, Delis, Hazra, Jason, Riola, Sara, Veena, Shanfar, Lishma, Neha, Amira, Lenisha, Leora, Nikita, Cheryl, Stacy, Vanessa, Melvika, Sandra, Anusha, Shreyas, Melanie, Rohit, Satvik, Akshata, Chelsea, Harshita, Mark, Matthias Winton, Savitri, Shivani, Surabhi, Pranika Bhatt. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I request our BBA staff to do the honor.
Good morning, everyone. This is the list of BBA students. Now I call Vinola ma'am and Sharat sir to hand over the certificate. Asa, Prafulla, Sanat, Selvin, Trisha, Fiona, Ruth, Sinchana, Adriel, Isha, Joyson, Julia, Madhiharaba, Preksha, Shraddha, Sneha, Fida, Kritika, Navya, Sindur, Abhiya, Ayuna, Arvind, Adityan, Atira, Delicia, Jennifer, Sampreet, Yoraj, Ifa, Shravya, Aditya, Aston, Kalida, Koyal, Anurag, Mehek, Nishchita, Pauna, Sakshi, Sharvin, Abhinav, Nitin, Royal, Nihad, Dayanshi, second year BBA batch, Uwais, Akshana, Harsha, Jaslita, Jolston, Javita, Shaina, Navisha, Rakesh, Santoshi, Ansita, Danika, Diapadav, Afnan, Priza, Suhera, Chaitra, Nikhil, Atul, Janin, Anirudh Shanai, Nidhi, Prajna, Pratiksha, Sanvi, third year BBA batch, Blessilla, Prapti, Indraja, Johan, Lionel, Macklin, Natasha, Praneeth, Pratham, Shivani, Sudhamshu, Ananya Jain, Yasin, Natania, Sohan, Sanya, Akhilesh, Anvesh, Divya, Levil, Aaron, Gavin, Anisha, Ansaf, Anusha, Ashma, Darren, Trisha, Epiphania, Heral, Deepthi, Kevin, Mumaiza, Neeraja, Nikhil, Vijay, Rachel, Sampath, Sanjana, Shahid, Shashank, Shraddha, Sindhu, Varena, Vinamrut, Roshil, Diya, Harsha, Derek, Sharis, Kavya, Khushi, Shiar, Pratiksh, Primal, Princia, Sean, Sahal, Ananya, Isha, Preeti, Sumaya Fatima, Vinola, Prerna, Rimlan, Dalini, Hajira, Rebecca, Shahima. Now I call BA staff to take over. Thank you.
I request Dr. Anup Denzel Vegas, Assistant Dean of Humanities, and Ms. Savita D'Souza, Assistant Professor of Department of Social Work, to do the honors. First BA, Shravan Kumar, Lokesh Gangadhar, Reshma Shankar Rathod, Emin Binoy, Janisha Florence Dilima, Shravya Pramod, Dilsha Rose, Liz Mary Albi, Sala Sadiq, Sankar Manoj, Surya Krishna, Gunjan Yadav, Aishar Shamula, Pavitra Devi, Ashna Rai, Anvika Premal Miranda, Ayola Fern de Mello, Lama Muhammad Yunus. Second year BA, Niriksha Pujari, Yamini Sara Jose, Vinisha Lenita Sequeira, Atashri, Jyoti, Anita Sara, D'Souza Merlin Ronald, PK Parvati Nambiar, Viber Desmond Gerald Dikunna, Sriram S. Bhatt, Anushka, Avama Shamna, Muskan, Sushmita, Anne Mary Anthony, Bhumika, Pujari Chinmay, Lalbia, Zian, Rose Jacob, Coral Jean Rego, Shravya, Jude. Final year BA, Sudeep Raj, Sanjay, Kunal Singh, Ankita, Deepa, Sharadi, Saubhagya, Basavaraj, Disha, Sanjana Shetty, Kushi Kumari, Lakshmi Priya, Mohammad Afreed, Nabil Abdul Aziz, Raju, Sharon Maria, Sheikh Mohammad Anas, Jaitra Sumitran, Kirtana Marita, Rolson Vishwas D'Souza, Shravya James, Sirima, Akshata, Alistair Sean D'Souza, Sonika, Sidel Gail D'Souza, Maitri, Rachel Paul, Riona Alita D'Souza, Vishaka, Hana Fatima, Ramisha, Rohan Chetan, Alina Anil, Bavarna, Diya Puvarna, Judith, Krishna Sujesh, Nandini, Arabi Nauf, Swati Mani, Zainaba, Alina Rose, Sunshine, Amal, Anusha, Archa, Arun Raj, Arun M, Avandika Madhav, Avantika, Fiona Tauro, Shamiz, Radhakrishna Bhatt, Rishima, Sai Kritik, Jane Merlin Gonzalez. Thank you for doing the honors.
Morning all. It gives me immense pleasure to read out the meritorious students of BCA department. May I request Dean of our department, Dr. Ravindra Swami, and HOD Ms. Shilpa Shetty to do the honors. To begin with, first years, Deepa Santosh Madiwal, Nidhi Ann Sikwera, Pranamya, Alia Khan, Apurva, Arman Abdul Sheikh, Ashil Tellis, Darren John, Neil Arun Rao, Princeton D'Souza, Rancia Lobo, Srinidhi Shetty, Tanisha Pinto, Tanvi, Tiana D'Souza, Mariam Numa Abdul Jalil, Chaya, Lisvita D'Souza, Prajwal Kumar, Anvesh Rahul, Bravin Lasrado, Dina Ananya Lobo, Ganesh Pujari, Rishika, Josna, Rivan Pereira, Srijan K, Michael Pereira, Nash Fernandez, Ashil D'Souza, Savinaya Acharya, Shaina Priya Vegas, Shriya Bojamma, Vaishnavi Shetty, Vishal Nayak, Elvita Vinola, Joylin Sikwera, Sinchana Yanke, Mithil Raj, Rakhi Kumari. Second BCA, A.V. Aditya, Alisha Rodriguez, Bhavita, Kripa, Elishal Montero, Purvi Bandari, Russell Rodriguez, Sakina Gandhi, Steffi Miranda, Swedel Lobo, Venisha D'Souza, Alia Banu, Amina Ali, Hetal R, Aishal Priyanka D'Souza, Prapti Vinay Kumar, Rachana, Rishal D'Souza, Rolvin Tellis, Shravya, Smita Sanil, Sonia De Silva, Vian D'Souza, Arlene Lobo, Jasmine Sonia, Rohan D'Souza, Smriti Shetty, Yakshit. Final years, P. Rachana Bhatt, Reshma Sisi, Fatima Hiba, Felicita Rodriguez, Gayatri, Greshan Putina, Janvi Shetty, Jyoti Samant, Sakshi Kundar, Leona Merita D'Souza, Mohammad Wahid, Rishika Shetty, Sheikh Danish Musa, Sean Anish Pinto, Shibin, Shreya, Taskin, Viola, Syed Uwais, Pearl Rigo, Rebecca, Diksha, Nidhishri Shetty, Cynthia Pinto, Ashwita D'Souza, Dilon Montero, Havas Mohammed, Henrita Menezes, Namit Acharya, Siri Subhash, Manthan, Mehak, Nafisa, Neville, Nisha, Priya Nayak, Rakshita, Riya, Sharan, Sharanya, Shriya, Tanishka, Vernon, Sanjana, Tessa, Vanessa, Deepna Amin. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations to all meritorious students. May I call upon Ms. Savia D'Souza to further continue.
I request Dr. Ashwini and Dr. Anita to give away the certificates for the students. Okay. After this, certificates will be distributed to the students of BWalk. So students of BWalk, please be ready to the left and right side of the stage. Smita Norona, Chirag, Ranya, Misna, Shafkat Nafisa, Kirtana, Nishita, Atil Nisar, Darshana, Krishna Prabha P, Melodia Coelho, Merrick Peter D'Souza, Avisha Lobo, Carol Crystal Lobo, Nidin Murali, Navina Pratiksha, Ryan Lobo, Swastik Devadiga, Vaibhavi K, Rinisha Pinto, Rufiat, Kirtana, Kavita Shettigar, Aishwarya PM, Janisha Sikwera, Suraksha, Deepika Shetty, Navya N. Rao, Janika Martis, Jasmine Vas, Nikita Pai, Sneha, Aishwarya V, Krishna Suresh, Deeksha Kulal, Aishwarya Siri, Ananya Rajesh, Jaisal, Raul, Amina, Ansia, Ankita, Zainaba, Anusha, Ashtami, Devika, Jasmine, Satvika, Tabassum, Ananya, Ashley, Sandhya, Nidhi, Sparsha, Shruti Prabhu, Deeksha, Alagananda Nambiar, Annapurna, Jose, Laman, Nidhi, Niril, Tushita, Anunandana, Farha, Shika Arun, Vandan. Second year BSc students, Gagan, Ashwin, Melvin, Shaima, Sinchana, Alvisha, Anjana, Dhanyashri, Urvi, Shravya, Vishit, Anish, Satvik, Lisa, Satvik Acharya, Shravya, Pragya, Reenal, Alan, Deekshita, Rishika, Neha, Sinjita, Shaina, Vishnuja, Sumedha, Alana, Tanisha, Vinola, Jayalakshmi, Nishma, Shraddha, Ankita, Diya Diona, Mahi, Priyanka, Rukhyat Shaima, Tanmay, Chinmayi, Gagan, Riya, Sri Lakshmi, Aparna, Sonia, Ananya, Rishal, Ansia, Avril, Jasmita, Aisha, Jyotika, Larissa, Sakshi, Pujashri, Stuti, Ananya, Ananya S, Aparna, Ashwati, Bhavya, Disha, Liana, Nida, Nidhi, Preeti, Shifa, Shivapriya, Shraddha, Shravani, Tejaswini, Fiona, Priya, Rion, Rosemary, Siana, Vismaya, Chirag, Diola, Ritika, and Swedel. Third year BSc students, Aishatul Mehana, Danita, Praneeth, Sakshi, Shaina, Shravya, Smriti, Karthik Shetty, Jaisal, Laren, Macklin, Priyanka, Rezin, Jenvisha, Alina, Harshini, Kirti, Manvita, Meghana, Pratham, Rashmita, Roshni, Sagar Shetty, Cheryl, Anjan, Amisha, Alicia, Laren, Meghana, Mohit, Nimisha, Shri Priya, Clive, Rajat, Joe Jacob, Lynette, Shainal, Vishalakshi, Lenisha, Anusha Bhatt, GN Kutina, Shraddha, Arunima, R. Nandana, Shri Raksha, Stenel, Sadhvi, Yashaswini, Zoya, Srinidhi, Ashita, Babita, Chinmayi, Devika, Daniel, Dhanyata, Kevin, Kriti, Neha, Neha MU, Neharika, Nikita Patel, Parikshit, Prisha, Pronita, Safana Mansoor, Sahana, Sahana BJ, Shrija, Srishma, Swati, Advaita, Diya, Elvina, Mithila, Swati, Viola, Aishwarya M, Anamika, Shlaghana, Tripti, Charan, Anushri, Disha Suvarna, Amrita, Priyanka, Bhumika, Brittany, Joshli, Rachana, Rakshita Bhatt, Sanjana, Shravya, Vinita, Zeenat, Amrita, Chinmayi Shetty, Dilip, Lorena, Jishnu, Jocelyn, Kriti, Kshama, Lavisha, Lenora, Monisha, Rajat, Vinish, Anmol, Kirtana, Anusha, Megha, Anamika, Anvita, Ardra, Ralila, Inchara, Jivita, Maitri, Misbah, Pratham, Shivani, Shuvanaz, Umang, Rima. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Now I request Ms. Shivani to announce the students of merit winners. Ms. Shivani to announce the merit winners.
Now I would like to request Mr. Chetan Shettigar, the Dean of the Department, and Mr. Sharat Shetty of the BVOC Department to do the honors. From the Retail Management, Priscilla Stina, Ananya P. Shetty, Hema Lata, Preksha, Sara, Devika P, Gagan. From the Animation and Multimedia, Disha CR, Harisha Naik, Varshini, Rahman Shahan, Delsita, Shreya, Ziba Abdul Aziz. From the Software Development, Dilip, Mohammad Hassan, Nishal, Sudarshan, Das Shreyas. Second year BVOC, Retail Management, Kirtan, Pritesh, Alaika, Kaif Hussain, Taib Parker, Vinol, Anush, Deepak Sivan, Glanish, Aston D'Souza, Divya, Shivani K, UV, Shrijit, Ahmad Rasim, from third BVOC, Aston Pinto, Kushi Bhaskar, Meghana, Tafsira, Shreyas, Alima, Aaron, Aisha, Aishat Noora, Shazin, Shihad, Shazma Shaban, Sanida, Mohammad Shiban, Riznaz, Niyaz Ali, Pahima, Sanjana, Chitra, Preksha, Amog, Vishaka, Nivedita, Shashant, Michael, Raviram, Lana Anis, Ryan, Shivani Rao, Shraddha, Deepthi, Nandana, Shahil, Sonika, Griffith, Karthik, Meenakshi, Pooja, Vaishnavi, Sam, Priyanka, Priya, Nikita, Shreya, Rajat, Sanjana. Thank you.